We're going.
Okay.
Glenda's attempting to have a go at
A snow angel, woo!
a snow angel. Go on then. Very good, very good. Lovely. Super snow angel. Now let's have a little look, see what it's like once you get out of it. Be careful how you get out of it.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Oh!
You have to try and get out of it without destroying it. Just put your feet in board a little bit. That's it. Come on, athlete.
No, it's slippy.
Blimey.
Yay, look at that!
Yeah.
I've never done one before. That's fabulous.
How old are you, dear?
Pardon?
How old are you?
57.
And a snow angel at last.
Angel. Isn't that lovely?
Yep. Well done.